Alright, hey, we're out here at the park, beautiful day, and I've got the HolyStone HS160 Shadow, and gonna do a quick review, quick flight on it. Beautiful day out here, and almost no breeze, which is really good for this little fella. And anyways, this is it. I've got the app hooked up. I think you might be able to see what it's seeing right now. There's some orange. So it's got a little bit of lag, but not too bad. Anyways, here's the, you just flip these out, the arms for the blades. I've got this already fired up. The battery is proprietary. It fits in the bottom right here, so I've got it in right now. It comes with 2 batteries, which is really cool. And this has really good lights on it. You can see the front LEDs probably, and the backs are red. Good orientation at night. This does have 4 speeds to it. I'm going to start it out in first speed, and we'll go through there. Anyways, the controls are pretty easy. I've already bound it. It has the one button takeoff and landing. It's got your video record button. You can turn off the lights for daytime flight, which I'll do right now. Anyways, and let's take it up real quick and get a flight and see how she does. We start the motors just by pushing that and then the stick up to go ahead and take off. And it is altitude hold, so it's really easy to fly. I mean, this thing is just smooth. You can get a little look at it right there, the front and the back. You turn the lights back on. It does have the has the trim adjustment here, so I'm going to trim it forward a little bit and a little bit to the right, and I'm going to boost. That's the first speed. You can see it's pretty docile in that, but I'll boost it up a couple speeds. There's the third. It'll get up and scoot a little bit. I think this is mainly for recording video. I am going to push the record button, so we'll get some video on this. It's a pretty decent little flyer, really, for what it is. It's more like a camera bird. It gets around pretty good. A little breeze just picked up. A breeze will carry this thing, so that's why it's good to have these different speeds, the responsiveness. I kicked it up to the highest speed. Breeze is kind of carrying it past me. Get a good look at it here. Sorry about the sun. I'm going to lower the speed a little bit. It goes right back into the first speed. Like I said, that's very docile. It's barely even moving. I got it pitched forward. I'll go into the second again. breeze a little bit here, so I'm going to the third. Anyways, I just wanted to give you a quick shot at it, and I'll post some video on it that it took. So you see, it has a pretty good yaw rate for the type of drone it is. Good look at it. Lights are flashing, so I'm going to bring it in for a landing. There we go. That was